the coincident command. And what this effectively does is that it constrains the position of 2 points, or a point and a line, or a curve together. So if we were to look at the lines that we've got on here, and we were to use that command, if we highlight that one there, use that one, and then go on that one, that will bring them in that fashion there. So it constrains them. If we highlight them, it will join them together. If we've got two lines which are, let's go that one there and say that one there, and we use that command, and then we've got our right angle command in there. Now the other thing on the constraint is, let's draw another line in here, and this time let's add a circle in. And what we can do then is to constrain or put those coincident on that one, and we can click on that one and click on the line, and it will bring them together. You noticed it brought the circle to the point that I clicked on the line. Let me just go back on that one. So I'll go on that one and I'll click on there, and then we come down here and it brings it down on the line, and therefore it's attached to the line. Now the thing is, if we now move that line, whoops, we'll try and move it, you can see the circle stays with it, even if the line becomes shorter. Because if the line is shorter than where it was, then it assumes the line goes, so it's still attached to the line in the same relative position, if you like, even though you've changed the sign of the line. The same with these ones. If we move these around, they stay there. And that's the coincident one. It's handy to fix things. Now you can also put a circle if you want it fixed at the end of a line, for example. So we can go that one there, that one, and then click on that point, and they're joined there. So again, now if we move the line about, they stay on there. Now the reason that's happening, if you remember, is this circle was coincidentally joined to the line, whereas this one was actually joined to that point. So therefore, if I move the line and make it longer or shorter, the other circle stays where it is, on either on the line or on the imaginary extension, but the other circle moves with the line because the 2 points were joined together. That basically is the coincident point.